In today's video, we're gonna take a look at the Tomos Wizard engine. This is the A35 engine with A52 blocks. Now, usually on this channel, I only make Danish moped videos, so excuse my English. I got a Tomos here from 2001. It's mostly original, drives like 34 kilometers an hour. I got it last week. It needs an oil change. So just let's dive into this engine and see how it looks. To be able to take everything out, I took out the spark, as you can see, and we stopped the piston from going up. That way I could remove the clutch. So let's just go in and see how it looks inside here. Inside here, we have this spacer need to have installed here. Make sure this is tight, that no oil seeks out from here. Over here we have another spacer that we have to have installed. After that, we need this one for the Kickstarter. Let's just go ahead and install it and take everything step by step with the spacers and everything, so we don't miss out on anything. So after that, I'm gonna show you the reason why I bought this moped so cheap. So it could started fine when you gave it some gas. When the wheel was up, it started turning the wheel, and after a few seconds it switched over to the second gear. But as soon as you sit on it and want to drive, it will go up and down in RPM, but it won't drive forward. So I tested, compression, ignition, cleaned the carburetor, what's going on, because the previous owner told me that he opened this one up, one owner machine, one owner only, from 2001. He opened it up, he replaced the clutch, and as you can see here, we have second gear clutch in there, brand spanking new, but it couldn't drive. And the first gear clutch is right here, as you can see, brand spanking new, but it couldn't drive. What was wrong with it? So in here we have the gears, and he actually installed, as you can see, we have got this little clip here, C-clip. You can see the top and it goes to the right. He did something, he took out this gear and installed it the wrong way. So this C-clip, starting up here, went to the left side. That gave him so much headache that he gave up on this moped. Yeah, so it was just standing still for some years, and with some help on Facebook and on my YouTube channel here, Dansk Scooterhygge. This is a Danish channel. Sorry guys, this is my first English video with mopeds. But yeah, I figured out and I installed this going to the right side, and now it runs like new. I love it. So let's just go in and install everything and give it some brand new oil also, because this beauty, I love this beauty. All right, we just pushed it in here. As you can see, we have the little drive chain there, and the first and second gear here looks absolutely astonishing. When you push this one in, remember it needs a little spacer here. Just remember it, because when I got it, it wasn't assembled the right way. This spacer was in there, but this one is missing, and those two that I'm gonna show you in a second, these two, they were missing also. So yeah, it had a lot of headaches, but yeah, with the help of the internet, I fixed it. So let's just install this one spacer here in the middle, one at the back, and this one goes in here, bam. And we have to install these two C-clips. I cannot film and install, so let me just install them. All right, everything looks good. 2 C-clips installed there. So this won't go anywhere. The spacer installed here. Now it's time for this with the brand new clutch. Isn't it beautiful? Looks amazing, guys. Everything new in here. Remember the spacer over there. The next part is to just slide this one in carefully and install it. Oh, there we go. There we go. And it's installed. As you can see, backwards. And if it turn it the other way, it will turn the wheel. So that's beautiful. But we have this piston blocker, which I need to use to tighten this bolt. The way we do that is actually we need this lock spacer here. Remember that. And then this one goes in here. Very simple, very easy. Remember, the thick one first and the thin one second. In here, as you can see, these are also brand new. I can show you the old one over here. Let me see, we have got some new parts over here. This one, look at this, guys. Bam. Look at the old one, all burned out and black. Look at the new one. Beautiful, beautiful looking. So yeah, awesome. So remember, these 2 spacers and a spacer here and lock spacer in here, and then tighten this. And I use this one to stop the piston from moving. Very cheap. Use it on my Puch Maxi and now on my Tomos. I'm a Puch Maxi guy, but now I'm having fun with Tomos also. So as you can see, I tighten this. Don't over tighten it, but yeah, works fine now. This one will run freely, the second gear, and the first gear forwards freely, but backwards it will try to, you know, turn everything over, the tire and everything. So yeah, that's nice. Well, the last part is the right side of the engine. We definitely need something new over here. I need to clean this one and clean over here also and give it some new oil. There we go. Everything is ready to be locked up now. We got new bearings in here. We got brand new gasket here. The oil, you put in new oil here. Check out the oil from here. So that's nice. I'm gonna just lock it up and put in some brand new fresh gear oil. And I love these Tomos with art power bikes. Danish 50 cubic engine, all original. It says Tomos on the cylinder and 25 on the yeah, Tomos 25 it says. Nice. We reached the final step. As you can see, everything is packed together here. We have the new gasket over there. Looks beautiful. The air intake over here, original Tomos A35, which is nice. But in here it says A52. There's a original label at the other side. It says engine A35. So this is with the 52 block, but A35 model, and we need 220 milliliters of this ATF gear oil. The way I do it, I actually just hold this one and I fill up to 100 milliliters and just let it go in here, and 100 again, and the last 20, because this one is 250 and it's for Puch and Tomos mopeds. Let's fill it up. We got 100 here, and just carefully put it in there, and there we go. So do not give it more than 220, because too much oil in an engine makes more pressure inside. So if the manual says 220, just put in 220. There we go, 20 more and that's it. I had some few drops of oil in there. Don't let it go to waste. You can always open up in here and give those few drops of oil in here. When you buy a 25-year-old moped, make sure with sun, a lot of light, look in the tank, make sure it's, I don't know if you can see it, but this is just blank, like mirror blank inside. Again, this is a one owner only from new, 24 years old machine, and it's in crystal clear looking, amazing, perfect condition. So yeah, don't over tighten this. Yeah, it's a very dirty moped, I know, but under all this oil and dirt, you know what, there's a well protected, rust free, awesome looking Tomos frame. But very dirty. This cable shouldn't go that way, guys. I need to fix that. It needs to go in here. So yeah, that's in another video. So we're ready to give it a kick and listen to the engine. Let's give it some power. We're gonna, oh wait, let's give it some gas. There we go, gas is turned on. And this is a kickstart model. As you can see, the kickstart over here. There we go. Do we have any oil spill? No, nothing. It's beautiful. It's time to enjoy this awesome Tomos Wizard power. Hey, why not? What a great moped, man. It even has turn light signals. I'm loving this. Yeah, this is my first English moped video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like stuff like this, give this video a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, but usually it's in Danish, but it is what it is. I love these old mopeds. I wish you a great day. See you on the next one, guys. Bye.